Alright, today I want to show you how you can take a couple images or a couple photos, whichever the case may be, kind of blend them, merge them into one uh, in Illustrator. This is Illustrator CS6, so it may not work exactly the same. Matter of fact, I know the way I'm going to do it, I know it won't work the same way as CS5 because of the changes made in image trace. So let's get started here. I'm going to go ahead and just start a new file. I'm going to accept the default here. And I'm going to place an image. Okay, I have this beer mug here. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and do an image trace on it. I'm going to go ahead and do a 16 color image trace on this thing. And we're going to click expand once we do that, so we turn it to vector art. Okay, so we now have it in vector art. Let me go ahead and enlarge it some. Okay, I got my enlarged mug here. Now I want to go ahead, because I'm going to put a cell phone. I want it to appear as if there's a cell phone inside the beer in the mug, because it's actually a little project I'm doing on texting and driving, and comparing texting and driving to driving under the influence of alcohol. So it's just a little artwork I made for that, and I was going to repeat it here. So I'm going to reduce the opacity to say about 70% here. Alright, I'll create another layer. I'll stick it up underneath this one. Go ahead and turn this one off for now. And I'm going to place the cell phone. So let's place it. Smartphone here. I'm going to do another image trace. This one here, 6 colors, be enough for this one. Let's give it a minute to do its thing. And we're going to go ahead and expand, so we turn it into vector artwork. That way we can resize it without distortion, however we want. Okay. So let me get it about right there. Let me go ahead and turn on my first one. I want to make my mug a little bit bigger, so I'm going to turn this off because I like to have whatever I'm working on all by itself. So let's make this mug just a little bit bigger. And we'll make the cell phone a little bit smaller. There we go. Oh, hold on a minute. Turn that off. And I want to have the cell phone. Turn that off again. Turn that back on. We'll just use my arrow keys. Put it where I want it. So that looks about right. Now we have a cell phone inside here. Now I'm going to just do one other thing to the cell phone here. So put a little text here. Get the right thing targeted. Alright, see how it grabbed my box like that? Did it for me automatically. And I'm going to use Comic Sans in here. Regular, let's set it to about 48, somewhere around there. Center it up, bring it down, turn it all back on, and there you go. I have the look I'm going for right there. Might want to turn the opacity of this down just a little bit more, so let's take that to about 65. And I'm going to darken up the handle a little bit. Double click on a spot there. Probably about like that. That's about how I want it right there. There we go. Now I have the artwork that I want using two images and allowing it to be seen through, make it appear as if the cell phone is in the beer mug. I'll probably do a little more coloring up here on these things, but you get the idea here. And I hope this has helped someone. And don't forget, visit www.skeeterz71.com for more videos on Photoshop, Dreamweaver, and Illustrator CS6. And I'm also making resume templates that are eye-popping, eye-catching, grab the employer's attention in 20 seconds. You may want to take a look at those too as well. You have a good day.